Hey there sailors, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get Tainted Bile in Windrose. Now for you to get Tainted Bile on the game, first off, you have to have unlocked the Cursed Swamps, which is pretty much the third region of the game. The region before this would be the foothills right over here. Once you've defeated the local threat called Israel Hands, you should unlock the Cursed Swamp right here, and more than likely, the first quest that you're going to get is the Forgotten Relics, which will lead you to your very first Cursed Swamp area. Now to get Tainted Biles, we are going to find some Plague Crocodiles, which you can find around the area of the Sacrificial Altars. Right now, on this Sacrificial Altar, there's one Plague Crocodile right there, and it should give you some Tainted Bile. I'm just going to get the aggro. Now how you fight these guys is pretty much every normal crocodile in the game. Dodge to the side, and they should miss you. And sometimes, dodge to the side and dodge back, because they do attack twice some other times. Dodge aside, back again. There we are. And there you go. And now you should get your Tainted Biles. Once again, if you're trying to find these Plague Crocodiles, just try to find them around the Sacrificial Altars. That's pretty much about it on how to get Tainted Biles in Windrose.